Today's makeup tutorial is sponsored by BetterHelp. Relationships can be very difficult. I know this because I had my share of terrible relationships and it's caused uncertainty with life. I knew the only way I could thrive and be the person I was meant to be was to bettering my relationship with myself, and in turn, it will improve my relationships with others. It all starts with you. If you're having any relationship problems, that includes your parents, your spouse, your partner, friends, even in those in your work area, BetterHelp can help you. Just fill out a brief questionnaire and you will be matched with a therapist. You can even switch therapists anytime with no extra cost until you find the right fit. Going to therapy is a sign of strength, not weakness. Talk to someone that's professionally trained to help you. BetterHelp therapists are well qualified and their customer service team is there to help you if you have any questions. Just click on the link in the description box or go to betterhelp.com/onetimelesslove to get 10% off your first month of therapy. Thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video, but also thank you to all of you for watching this video, because without you, I wouldn't get opportunities like this. And now let's get into the makeup tutorial.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. I wanna live your life, I wanna dream your dreams, lick the moons, catch them stars in the night. Every superpower that is yours will be mine. I'll be that it girl, pouting mouth, crossing the line. I wanna sing the melodies where my heart I do the same, I'm a sinner. I do the same, I'm a sinner. I wanna live your life.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. On me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? Sit and follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?